St. Stephen's United Methodist Church at 228th Street and Marble Hill Avenue is well on the way to being restored to its original beauty and luster while continuing to be a beacon of light in the Marble Hill community. Workmen began installing scaffolding and netting on March 30th, 2010, and have begun the process of removing weather-beaten shingles and siding. St. Stephen's has been at its current location for more than 111 years and remains a spiritual force for good in the community. Members of the church and Marble Hill community, under the leadership of Pastor Nathaniel Dixon, have succeeded in raising the funds needed to begin the first phase of the restoration. City Society and the Park Avenue Trust Fund have also partnered with St. Stephen's to launch this project. Through faith in God, continuous prayer, and the cooperative spirit of church and community, St. Stephen's mission and ministries in the historic Marble Hill community continue to grow. We invite those of you who would like to contribute to this important project to please call 718-562-8692 or write to St. Stephen's United Methodist Church, 146 West 228th Street, Bronx, New York, 10463. Do visit our website at www.ststephensumc.org.